Hi guys, Yamaha 340 here. Just showing you my 2001 Yamaha yz125. Little walk around, show you all it. Pretty nice bike. Won't be any cold start videos of it right now because I don't have any gas in it, but there will be some to come. Pretty nice bike overall. I paid $950 for it the beginning of last summer. Since then, I've rebuilt it once, and we installed the Athena top end kit. It's a little dirty right now. I haven't cleaned it because when I cleaned it, I took it back out for one more ride, and then I put it away, and then never got around to it again. So runs good compression and everything. I'll be getting new tire for it and everything. Racing it at my local track. Here's the brand of piston that's in it. I have used yz125. This brand here actually lasts longer, so I suggest it. I recommend them. They're pretty good. Yep, nice bike. Stock pipes. Want to get an FMF shorty though, at least. Gonna get the fork seals changed down it. This one ain't really, that one over there does a little bit. Not right now, you can't tell, but I didn't buy it from here, but I have been here and looked at their bikes before. It ain't far from my house. Not real far, about a half hour away. Or so, yeah, about. If you want to see them. That's where I bought my boots from. This bike, I did not buy it from them. I bought it locally from some guy. Good seat and everything. Nice stiff. I have handguards with the bark buster metal part here, but I took them off for now. I'll probably put it back on though come the summer. Well, I'll see you later guys.